So most people solve this question like cancel this 7 by 7 is equal to 7 divided by 1. So 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Right? Here we have division and here we have multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. First we have to solve this division. So is equal to 7. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first 7 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this second fraction 1 upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 1 multiply 7. Right? Now 7 upon 1 is equal to 7. So we can remove this one, right? Okay. Now here we have one multiplication and here multiplication. And both have equal priority. So we have to solve from left to right. So 7 times 7 is equal to 49 multiply 7. Now 49 multiply 7 is equal to 343. So the correct answer is 343, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.